Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to Which One Won. This is the series where you get to pick out which one you think was the winner on my cover test for different launches and promotions that I've worked on with many clients in the health marketplace. So this is episode 13. Woo! 13. We are rocking and rolling. And you know what? You are also learning like never before, because when you have fun, you can't help but learn more. That's what I believe. I believe that you learn more when you have fun. So that's why I'm trying to make this as fun as it possibly can. So thanks so much for supporting Which One Won. And also, I love getting the feedback from you. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. You know, I like to be liked. Thanks for subscribing. Make sure you're subscribed right now. Subscribe to my channel so you can get more of episodes of Which One Won, because I got a lot more coming for you, okay? Now, this episode 13, I have been feeling a little pudgy lately. So I thought, let me see what I can bring up on maybe a diet product. Okay. So found a product that I worked on with my client was Health Resources, and it was the launch of a product called Nature Slim. So we had, let me see, I think we had 6 covers. Yes, 6 covers that we used to launch this product. It was a natural appetite suppressant to help to kind of just lose those extra pounds that you put on too often. Anyway, so we're going to get started right here right now with Nature Slim. The first cover we had was called From Flab to Fab, Discover the Secret of the Incredible Shrinking Woman. So this is the cover of just showing the prospect the end results, what they're going to look like after they have, been taking the product and using it properly. So the whole incredible shrinking woman approach is what I thought about using for this cover. So this is cover number 1. And cover number 2, do you know what's really making you fat? So this concept is to let the reader know that there are other things besides just overeating that could be contributing to his or her. We think it's predominantly a female market, and we were right, but his or her, weight gain. So we talk about stress-induced weight gain, or blood sugar levels can be out of whack, and metabolism can be slow, and then even other dangerous diets can really mess up your weight loss goals. So this was cover test number 2, do you know what's really making you fat? Then we went to cover test number 3, which says, don't be fooled by weight loss, lies, lies, lies. Calories do matter. So if you want to lose weight and keep it off, forget about fat-free foods, cutting out carbs, high-protein diets, or even ridiculous cabbage diets. And then we go into this promise that, the product is going to be able to help them to lose the weight. Okay, so that was number 3. So we're going to go to number 4. This one is just more of an attitude. I don't know what I was thinking, but it was, I thought, what the heck? So I called it Get Real. If you want to look like this, and I made sure I showed a very anorexic looking model, somebody who is not what my market is ideally looking to look like. Okay. So I was like, if you really want to look like this, then this ain't for you. Okay. But if you want to lose some weight to help you promote healthy blood sugar, improve your cholesterol, regulate your blood sugar levels, ease back, leg, and joint pain, boost energy levels, and look 10 to 15 or even 20 years, younger, then this is for you. So the approach was almost go to the extreme. My market, I knew, were over 50 plus year old. They weren't trying to look like, Twiggy or the model, supermodels that are super thin. That wasn't the goal. They were trying to lose weight in order to be able to, stay healthy, control their blood pressure, control their blood sugar. So that was the attitude that I had with Get Real. Get real here. This is what we're trying to do. Okay, so that was number 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And so now we're going to number 5, which is let me see, I call that one the no thanks. So discover the remarkable all-natural nutrient that's helping folks say, no thanks, I'm not hungry, and really mean it. 4 powerful appetite suppressants combined in one amazing formula gives you mega willpower over foods again. And in this cover, I really did want to use more of an age-appropriate model. The other ones that you notice were much younger. We tend to, skew younger when it comes with weight loss, but in this case, I wanted to use someone who I thought was closer to the market, and then just, you know what? No, I'm not hungry. Really, I really do mean it. So that was the concept of no thanks that we had, and then we had the 6th cover, which was fat. Oh, my doctor said it was normal to be fat, 40, and fatigued. And then I said, is like, whatever. My doctor said this is normal, but this is not what I want to be. This is not who I want to be and what I want to be experiencing. So it's kind of going against that whole attitude of what your doctor tells you you're expected to look like when you pass 40 years old. Okay, so we are going to go over these one more time, and you will tell me which one you think won. So let's go back again. Number 1 is the shrinking woman, the incredible shrinking woman. Number 2, do you know what's really making you, really what's making you fat? Then number 3, calories do matter. Number 4, get real, that's attitude. Number 5, no thanks, I'm not hungry, and really mean it when you say that. And number 4, fat, 40, and fatigued. Okay, copy star, what's going on? Think about it. What do you think? What would you want? What do you think is a real, desire for this market? What do you think? Come on, are you ready to guess who it is? All right. Oh, I need a drum roll. We're getting so good now. I want my drum roll to be rocking it. Ready? Here we go. Did you guess it? Did you guess? Bam! Calories do matter. Go figure. This was it. Don't be fooled by weight loss. Lies, lies, lies. Calories do matter. This was the control. Very surprising. I thought, cool. I don't really like black covers. It's like black background covers, but that one worked. But guess what? There was a second winner. There was a second winner. I mean, they were neck and neck. In fact, they were so close that we literally did rotate the promotions. Almost every other mailing, we put out the other one. Did you guess what that second winner was? That second winning control cover is? Did you guess it? Are you ready? Bam! No thanks. I'm not hungry, and really mean it. Yes. So those 2 covers, I would have to say, yeah, they were pretty much the control, because the numbers were so close that, doggone it, we just kept rotating the packages. So congratulations if you guessed it. But remember, even if you did not guess it, if you are the copywriter who comes up with the idea and the market picks one of your cover tests, you're a winner, you're a star, you're brilliant, and you're probably going to get some royalty checks. Okay, so that's really good. So this is overall, I want you to remember, it's not about you trying to figure out what the market wants. It really is about you giving the market options. Give them a variety of options of covers that they will be able to, decide for themselves what they want, and they'll reward you by ordering from that. This works also online. You can use these as your subject lines. These are headlines you can use online also for your marketing. Same concept. They're gonna want it. They're gonna click on it, and they're gonna buy from you. And that's the bottom line. We want to get the prospect from being a prospect to being a buyer, and that's what you do with killer kick butt cover test. Okay, so cool. I'm glad you love this. I hope you love it. I'm assuming you love it. You better love it. Anyway, this is it for today. Again, let me know. Talk to me. Let me know what you think. Let me share with me what you thought about it. I want to hear from you. I love hearing from you. And I reply. I write back to you. So write to me. And again, subscribe now. Subscribe and tell your friends. And I will see you the next time we play Which One Won. Hey, it's me, Carline Anglade-Cole. Let me tell you, the best way to get better at writing headlines and cover tests is to practice, practice, and practice. I'll show you my winning secrets that's helped me create crazy successful headlines for over 22 years. And I'll walk you through my process step by step. It's all in my ebook called Which One Won? How to Write Kick Butt Headlines and Boost Response. And it's available only on my website at carline-cole.com. Get your copy today.